This is where I left yesterday, and yesterday it was more of a yellow color, as you probably may like see. This is more of a yellow. This is more of a translucent. The only thing is that, as you can see, the beads have sucked the juice up, which is what we want. Although there is some precipitate debris in there, because probably the hydrochloric acid evaporated. So we'll decant this right now, and then we'll do the calcination. Let's see. That's nice and clean. As you can see, the beads are totally dry. No, of course they are at least not soaked. So we'll load them into the tube. So here it is. Here is the thingy. I have covered it up with some rock wool to test how the coil works. I mean, we want to heat up the tubing so then we can heat up basically the whole thing, and to emit the good old what is this? Which way should I unplug this? And the other way around. It's nice at like 40 degrees or something. So yeah, I'm just going to unplug this. Basically this is a mesh. I made this, I think, in like weekly report 10 or something like that. So basically there is a mesh. Fuck you, come out. So yeah, there's a mesh in it. This is clay basically. So this is going to be the whole thing. I have the wire here at this length. Going to fill up the tubing with the material. I have it dried. Turn the lights on. It is less yellow than it was, but it is yellow, as you can see. No, nonetheless, they are yellow. So yeah, going to fill up the... So I made this hopper fit nicely. The hopper worked fine. The problem is that I don't have enough volume in this shit. I'm going to need to unplug this. Have to hammer down the washer in there. So there is a washer inside. I don't know if it is visible. Yeah, it is visible. Yeah, so you can see the washer there. I need to hammer that. So back, I have decided that I will leave the thing there. So refill it till level that I'm comfortable with. Half of it. Just eyeballing it. Going to add the top cap. This. Should have thought about this before. Hopefully it won't fall out. Here is my good old trusty rod that I hammer the things down. I have slightly tapped it, as you can see. Now I'm going to insert it back into this. I'm gonna cover this shit up with a lot of fucking rock wool. It's probably not going to be enough, even with this. I'm going to put some... Can't even pull it out, bro. It's stuck as fuck. So that's at least not a problem. Okay. I'm gonna start to heat this. I will put on my mask because I don't want to inhale any fucking ammonia gas or whatever it's going to break down. HCl or whatever the fuck. It says it's 32.70 or 32.2 degrees. So we'll heat this. I'm going to ramp it up to like, I don't know, 80 degrees or something. Then keep it there for like 30 minutes or something. And so yeah, took it apart, and after working, this is how it looks. This is just the what is this vessel, the insulation, so the stainless doesn't conduct the electricity. This goes inside. I have used the probe, as I told you, and this is what I have got. Show this unit. As you can see, these beads are somewhat brown. On some beads are brown, some are white. I mean, these are kind of off-white. I don't know if you can tell by the looks, but these are more of a yeah, off-white, like off-white white, not total white. They were yellow though. As I heated them up, they became like, basically when we first started, this yellow was imminent on them, and then as they dried out, they became white like this. But as you can see, this is more of a yellow white. This is more of a pale white, and basically this is preheating, and this is after heat treatment. As probably these are either some sort of these brown things are either some sort of contaminants from the probe, or which is more reasonable, that this is actually vanadium pentoxide. But because the probe was probably not centered, not the whole thing was heated up, and not the whole thing was on like 400 C. So maybe the around and the outer shell or the inner shell was, I don't know, 350 or something. Maybe I should go up 500 tomorrow. We'll redo this, and we'll go with like a 500 degrees. Hopefully that will convert all of the vanadium. I believe this is vanadium, but I will check. But I think this is vanadium, because otherwise then the like I really want to believe this is vanadium. So yeah, if it would be vanadium pentoxide on them, which is brown after all, that would be really good, in that sense, that indicating that we have succeeded. It took me quite a long time, because I was running around, but if I can like make the same test tomorrow successfully, I will heat it up to like 500. I think that will be very nice to see. This day was not that significantly a lot of progress, but I have achieved this, which is, I think, really cool for now, at least. Tomorrow we'll do this. I don't know, maybe I will go to the big city and take the new electronic parts, depending on if they have them or not. Then and then come back in the afternoon and redo this test. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Yeah.